Hey guys, my name's Andrea. I work as a correctional officer at the North Bay Jail in Ontario. Um, I have currently been doing my placement since April, I guess, with the social worker on site. About a couple weeks ago, she just got offered another position with probation and parole, and obviously she's going to take up that opportunity. So I'm now working with the female worker who works strictly with female inmates. So I have had a little bit of experience the last couple of weeks, but I haven't been able to actually do um, as much with them as I would hope. So I'm excited basically for the second half of my placement. I'm going to be working with her and just working with basically a different group of people and experiencing and learning how to work through their concerns and issues because I have come to find that working with female inmates is very different than working with male inmates. Um, I think for this placement, I want to kind of step away from the programming that I've been doing. I think I've kind of grasped that pretty well and um, have a pretty good understanding of the programming, and I'd like to sit in on more meetings with community members, CAS, like Children's Aid Society, um, um, trying to think what else. Just other members of the community, like the Elizabeth Fry Society, who will be a surety for an inmate to get them released on bail. It'd be nice to sit in on a meeting with them and just see what their perspective is on certain things. I'd like to do more meetings with the segregation um, committee, and I'd also like to have a bigger role in doing a classification of an inmate or um, potentially another pregnancy plan if another female comes in that's pregnant. So I'm really looking forward to the next um, section of placement, and I'm excited to learn from everybody. Um, I think I think it's definitely going to be different because, to be honest, I'm not a huge fan working with strictly female inmates. So it'll be interesting to see kind of the other side of it where we're kind of delving more into their discharge planning and how to get them prepared to be a contributing member in society and stop the revolving door syndrome. Um, I'd like to see those changes, especially because we do have a female inmate right now that is pregnant. I'd like to set her up for success so that at least her baby has an opportunity to lead a successful life and she gets all the resources she can get to get her off of drugs and lead her to a more successful life. So I'm really excited. I'm excited to hear from everybody else. Thanks.